Despite the excitement surrounding tools like MidJourney and Dall-E, users are facing significant challenges. The promise of limitless possibilities has been overshadowed by a harsh reality: lack of control, unpredictable results, and a steep learning curve that leaves many frustrated. Users often spend hours tweaking prompts only to receive results that fall short of expectations. But what if there was a solution that truly empowered creators? Imagine a tool that merges the huge potential of AI with the precision and control of traditional digital art software. Introducing CGDream AI, a new platform set to redefine what's possible in AI-generated images. For those eager to try it out for free, a direct access link is available at the top of this video description. Let's get started. What is CGDream AI and why should you care? CGDream AI is a web-based platform designed to overcome the challenges many creators face with other AI art tools. By merging AI innovation with a high degree of user control, CGDream offers a creative experience that's versatile, intuitive, and most importantly, reliable. Whether you're a hobbyist just starting out or a seasoned professional in need of precision, CGDream provides the tools you need to make your ideas come to life. At the core of CGDream AI is its Flux dev model, an advanced AI engine that offers superior accuracy, especially in handling complex prompts. From generating accurate anatomy to creating intricate designs, Flux ensures your images come out exactly as you envisioned them, removing the unpredictability that many creators experience with other platforms. It's simply not just about creating art, it's about empowering you to take full control of your creative process. Let's dive deeper into the features that make CGDream a standout tool for image generation. The four main pillars of CGDream. To illustrate the power of CGDream, let's walk through the four main features of this powerful AI. While text-to-image generation impresses, CGDream truly shines when starting with existing visual content. Image-to-image and 3D-to-image features set this tool apart from competitors. But let's show you the four main features one by one. Number 1. Text-to-image. Let's pretend you want to create a simple image with the short prompt like "a beautiful lake at sunset." Initially, with auto-enhance disabled, CGDream generates a pleasant but somewhat generic lake scene. This serves as a baseline for what's to come. Enabling the Dream Up feature transforms the prompt into something more evocative: a tranquil mountain lake reflecting the warm hues of a specular sunset with pine trees silhouetted against the sky. Already, the image takes on more depth and character. Next, applying an impressionist filter at 50% strength, combined with a subtle golden hour effect, dramatically transforms the image. The scene now evokes the work of Monet, with painterly qualities that elevate it from a simple digital rendering to a piece of art. Using the upscale feature further enhances the image, revealing intricate details in the brushstrokes and reflections on the water. What began as a 5-word prompt has become a stunning piece of digital art worthy of being painted and framed. CGDream AI's ability to generate up to 4 variations simultaneously allows for parallel exploration of different interpretations. This feature saves time and sparks new ideas, enabling rapid iteration and refinement. Number 2. Image-to-image. Consider a photograph of a cityscape that needs a futuristic makeover. CGDream's image-to-image feature makes this transformation possible with just a few clicks. After uploading the base image, adding a prompt like "futuristic cyberpunk city" begins the transformation. The resemblance parameter allows for control over how much the original image is preserved. A low setting results in a dramatic change, while a higher setting maintains more of the original elements. With a low resemblance setting, the result is a radical transformation. Skyscrapers stretch impossibly high, neon signs cast a colorful glow, and flying vehicles zip between buildings. A higher resemblance setting with the Dream Up feature produces a more subtle change. The original architecture remains largely intact, but with futuristic elements seamlessly integrated. Holographic billboards appear on existing buildings, and the streets glow with embedded lights. Number 3. 3D to image, adding a new dimension. This new 3D to image feature opens up a new realm of possibilities. With a vast library of 3D models available, users can generate 2D images from any angle or perspective. Starting with a 3D model of a sports car and adding the prompt "racing through a neon-lit city at night" with a motion blur filter produces a dynamic image reminiscent of a high-octane action movie still. The ability to adjust the viewpoint of the 3D model and generate multiple images from different perspectives allows for the creation of collages or storyboards. This feature proves invaluable for concept artists, storyboard creators, and anyone needing to visualize objects or scenes from multiple angles. Number 4. Image to 3D. Perhaps CGDream AI's most unique and powerful feature is its ability to turn 2D images into 3D models. This feature closes the creative loop, allowing for truly cyclical creativity. Starting with any image in the gallery, a photograph, a painting, or an AI-generated image, CGDream can analyze and generate a 3D model. The built-in 3D viewer allows examination of the new creation from any angle. This newly created 3D model can then serve as the basis for new 2D images. Users can rotate the model to find the perfect angle and add a new prompt to change the setting or style and generate a fresh 2D image. This image to 3D to image workflow opens up endless possibilities for iterative design and creative exploration. The potential applications are vast. Product designers can visualize their creations in various environments. Architects can see their buildings from multiple perspectives. Game developers can rapidly prototype and iterate on character designs. The only limit is the user's imagination. CGDream's fundamental features. The foundation of CGDream power lies in its intuitive yet powerful basic features. These tools form the building blocks of the creative process, allowing for the generation of stunning visuals with precision and ease. Number 1. The power of Flux. The integration between CGDream and Flux AI is an exciting new feature that enhances text-to-image generation capabilities. Flux offers improved image quality and faster generation speeds, allowing users to create more accurate and detailed AI-generated art. One of Flux's key strengths is its ability to handle complex prompts, translating intricate descriptions into vivid imagery. This makes it ideal for users looking to explore unique artistic directions or push the boundaries of AI-generated content. Flux also boosts efficiency, enabling quick iteration through ideas. Users can experiment with different concepts and refine their work rapidly, making it valuable for both professionals on tight deadlines and hobbyists exploring creative possibilities. Number 2. Huge library of styles and filters. With over 200 filters at their disposal, CGDream users have access to an unparalleled level of stylistic control. These filters go beyond simple color overlays, dramatically altering the mood, style, and even the perceived artistic medium of creations. From oil painting effects to futuristic neon aesthetics, the creative possibilities are virtually limitless. Number 3. Quality and speed. Recognizing that different stages of a project require different approaches, CGDream offers adjustable quality and speed settings. During the ideation phase, users can opt for faster generation times to quickly iterate through ideas. When it's time to create the final piece, the quality can be increased to produce stunning, high-resolution images. Number 4. Aspect ratio and precision formatting. This AI eliminates the need for awkward cropping by allowing users to set their desired aspect ratio from the start. Whether creating for Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, or traditional print media, users can ensure their art fits perfectly on any platform. Number 5. Auto-enhanced prompts and private mode. When working with short or simple prompts, the auto-enhance feature acts as a creative catalyst. With a single click, CGDream expands on initial ideas, adding depth and detail to concepts. This feature essentially provides an AI art director, helping to flesh out visions and push creative boundaries. Additionally, CGDream AI features a lively gallery where users can share, like, and download images, showcasing their work and finding inspiration from others. Premium users get an extra perk, private galleries. These allow for a more personal experience, perfect for organizing projects or storing special creations away from public view. Number 6. Prompt Guidance Slider. The Prompt Guidance Slider offers granular control over how closely the AI adheres to the given text prompt. Lowering the value allows for more creative interpretation by the AI, while raising it produces results that more closely match the description. This feature proves invaluable when balancing creativity and precision, allowing users to dial in exactly the level of AI intervention they desire. As you can see, CGDream AI represents more than just another AI art generator. It's a comprehensive suite of tools that puts unprecedented control in the hands of creators. From basic text prompts to complex 3D manipulations, it offers a level of flexibility and power previously unimaginable in the era of AI-assisted art. Please note that this video is a collaboration between AI Uncovered and CGDream. But don't just take our word for it. Go ahead and try it out for yourself by clicking the first link in the video description. You can also join the CGDream Discord server. It provides a space to connect with other users, share creations, and find inspiration. Whether a professional designer or a curious hobbyist, a welcoming community of like-minded creators awaits. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.